Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, this is again Learn English with Bonach. Aha ni kuri Iga Icyongereza na Bonach. Today we are going to learn daily English sentences. Interuro dukoresha umunsi ku wundi. Izi interuro zagufasha mu kuvuga Icyongereza. That is what you are going to learn. Iryo niryo somo tugiye kwiga uyu munsi. And I want you to know that we have a book with 5,000 English phrases. Dufite igitabo kirimo interuro 5,000 z'icyongereza ndetse zisobanuye. This book can help you to learn very well. Iki gitabo rwose cyagufasha kwiga neza cyane. We are going to use some of the sentences from this book. Tukoresha zimwe mu nteruro twakuye muri iki gitabo. Ni dukeya cyane tugiye gukura muri iki gitabo tukwigisha. Reka tukubwire yuko if you need to learn English with us, we can teach you wherever you are. Ukeneye kwigana natwe twakwigisha aho waba uri hose. Ntabwo twigisha abanyeshuri bari muri classe, ahubwo twigisha abanyeshuri bitewe naho bari. Aho waba uri hose, iyo ukeneye kwigana natwe tuguha link. Iyo umaze kwishyura amafaranga akenewe yo kwiga, tuguha link. Iyo link niyo ukoresha tukagukurikirana kuva ku murongo kugera uvuga Icyongereza nta kibazo. Tugufite n'ibitabo bitandukanye byagufasha kwiga Icyongereza. Haba ari igitabo cy'interuro, igitabo cy'inshinga, igitabo kirimo grammar, igitabo kirimo phrasal verbs, idioms, proverbs. We have different books that can help you to learn. Without further ado, let's dive into the lesson of today. Let's learn these sentences. Reka twige izi nteruro z'icyongereza ndetse zisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda. Let's do this. I am not ready yet. I am not ready yet. Ntabwo nditegura. I don't want that. I don't want that. Icyo ntabwo ngishaka. I don't want that. I am not sure. I am not sure. Ntabwo mbizi neza. I am not sure. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Ntibigutere ikibazo. Don't worry about it. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. Sinshaka kukubangamira. I don't want to bother you. Hurry up. Hurry up. Tebuka. Hurry up. Do as I say. Do as I say. Kora uko mbivuze. Do as I say. What is your job? What is your job? Ukora iki? What is your job? I miss your smile. I miss your smile. Nkumbuye ukumwenyura kwawe. I miss your smile. Would you like a drink? Would you like a drink? Ushaka icyo kunywa? Would you like a drink? That's okay. Ibyo ntacyo bitwaye. That's okay. I'm not accepting anything at this time. I am not accepting anything at this time. Ubu ntacyo ndi kwemera. I'm not accepting anything at this time. I don't want that. I don't want that. icyo ntabwo ngishaka. I don't want that. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Buri umwe arabizi. Everyone knows it. I have a lot to talk about. I have a lot to talk about. Mfite byinshi byo kuvugaho. I have a lot to talk about. He will not refrain from speaking. He will not refrain from speaking. Ntabwo azahagarika kuvuga. He will not refrain from speaking. Mind your business. Mind your business. Ita ku bikureba. How is your family? How is your family? Umuryango wawe umeze ute? How is your family? My family is doing great. My family is doing great. Umuryango wanjye umeze neza. My family is doing great. I have a headache. I have a headache. Narwaye umutwe. What happened? What happened? What happened? Niki cyabaye? What happened? I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. Sinzi ikibazo nagize. Do you get my point? Do you get my point? Uri kumva ibyo ndi kukubwira? Do you get my point? How have you been? Amakuru y'iminsi. How have you been? I've been doing great, thank you. I've been doing great, thank you. Amakuru ni meza, urakoze. What is going on? What is going on? Ni ibiki bijya mbere? What is going on? I'm starting a new business. I'm starting a new business. Ndi gutangira ubucuruzi bushya. I'm starting a new business. How about the old one? How about the old one? Naho iyo wari ufite. I'm doing it as well. I'm doing it as well. Nayo ndi kuyikora. Do you remember the other day? Do you remember the other day? Do you remember the other day? Uribuka wa munsi? Do you remember the other day? I very much do. I very much do. Ndawibuka rwose cyane. Wait. Here with me, I have books. Mufitiye ibitabo. This is vocabulary book. Igitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'icyongereza ndetse n'ikinyarwanda. This is dictionary of English and Kinyarwanda. Niba mugiye kuvuga icyongereza amagambo akubana makeya, this is a book that can help you. Igitabo cyagufasha mu gihe uri kuvuga ntabwo ukeneye kuba uri gutekereza ijambo ugiye gukoresha. You have to keep speaking, and this is the book that will help you with that. Iki ni igitabo kizagufasha ibyo. Ikindi, niba uri umutangizi ukaba ushaka kuzamura urwego rwawe rw'icyongereza, this is Begin Smart to End Smart with more than 200 pages, page zirenga 200, harimo icyongereza ndetse gisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. 200 pages, harimo amasomo yibanze yose ku muntu ushaka gutangira ku icyongereza, ateguye neza ku buryo wumva ibyo uri kwiga ukabisobanukirwa. Iki gitabo niyo waba usanzwe uzi icyongereza ushaka kuvuga ngo reka nige icyongereza none nkihereye mu mizi, cyagufasha. And again, if you have a problem to describe the actions, niba ugira ikibazo cyo kubasobanura ibikorwa uri gukora, dufite igitabo kirimo verbs, inshinga. Harimo regular verbs, inshinga zikurikiza amategeko, hakabamo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'icyongereza, modal verbs. Iki gitabo cyagufasha ugashobora gusobanura ibikorwa biri kuba, ibikorwa byabaye, ibikorwa bizaba. Iyo ukeneye kuba wasobanura ibikorwa, iki gitabo cyagufasha. Harimo inshinga, buri nshinga isobanuye mu Kinyarwanda ndetse tukaguha n'urugero kuri buri nshinga. This book can help you to describe the actions. Tukaba tugufite igitabo kirimo dialogues, ibiganiro. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogues, ibiganiro by'icyongereza ndetse bisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda kuri topics zigiye zitandukanye, ku ngingo zigiye zitandukanye. Iki gitabo cyagufasha kuko iyo tuvuga dukoresha ibiganiro. Iki gitabo rero kirimo ibiganiro ndetse bisobanuye mu Cyongereza no mu Kinyarwanda. If you need one of our books, ubaye ukeneye kimwe muri ibi bitabo cyangwa se byose ukaba ubikeneye, watumenyesha kuri 0780 29 312. Let's continue the lesson. From time to time. From time to time. Igihe ku kindi. From time to time I see him. From time to time I see him. Igihe ku kindi ndamubona. You are the light of my life. You are the light of my life. Uru rumuri rw'ubuzima bwanjye. You are the light of my life. Where is your office? Ibiro byawe biri hehe? Where is your office? Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Ugire weekend nziza. Have a good weekend. I said many things to him. I said many things to him. Namubwiye ibintu byinshi. I said many things to him. When is the bus leaving? When is the bus leaving? Bus iragenda ryari? When is the bus leaving? Where do you work? Where do you work? Ukora hehe? I work near here. I work near here. Nkora hafi aha. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Reka twizihirwe. What's up? What's up? Bite. What's up? Nothing much. Nothing much. Ntabikaze. Would you like a drink? Would you like a drink? Ushaka icyo kunywa? Juice will be good. Juice will be good. Umpaye umutobe byaba ari byiza. Juice will be good. Would you happen to know? Would you happen to know? ese waba uzi? Would you happen to know? I'm sorry, we are sold out. I'm sorry, we are sold out. Wihangane, twabicuruje byashize. I'm sorry, we are sold out. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Mfite inyota. I'm starving. I'm starving. Inzara iranyishe. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Buri kimwe kirateguye. Everything is ready. I'm very busy. I don't have time now. I'm very busy. I don't have time now. Ndahuze, nta mwanya mfite nonaha. See you next time. See you next time. Tuzasubira ubutaha.